Today, we are checking out a powerful little unit that could change how your garage or workspace breathe. This is the FAREAST 12-inch wall exhaust fan. We are going to unbox it, see how it performs right out of the box, and finally install it on the wall to see how it really moves air. Right out of the box, you get the fan itself, the attached shutter mechanism, and a separate speed control unit. Fan feels solid, all metal housing. Just plug it in to a basic outlet using the included controller. Let's start at low speed. At low speed, it's quiet, great for indoor use where you want airflow without the hum. Now medium. Nice. You can feel it moving air even without being mounted. And now full speed. This thing pulls hard. The shutters pop up cleanly, and you can feel a serious draft even from a few feet away. It's not silent at full speed, but it's not annoying. Very reasonable for a garage or coop or a basement. We have mounted the fan directly into the basement wall. Make sure the shutters are facing outward and that it's tilted level to ensure smooth operation. This would be ideal for pulling heat, smoke, or moisture out of the garage. So, is the FAREAST 12-inch exhaust fan worth it? With a metal frame, adjustable speed, and solid airflow, I would say yes. It's not oversized, doesn't require wiring, and it performs as promised. Great for landlords or anyone needing basic but real ventilation. If you want to check it out, I've dropped a link below. Subscribe for more hands-on install right here on the Landlord Workshop.